Good morning, everybody. This is Timmy Bullock with Chesapeake Bay Catfishing, and today we're here at the Rock State Park and Deer Creek. So today we're gonna do a little bit of creek fishing. We're gonna try to see if we can get on some sunfish, trout, rock bass, fall fish, creek chum, just about whatever we can get into. So we're gonna do a little wading today. We're gonna get in the water. We're gonna hit all the little rocks and holes and see what kind of fish we can catch today. So stay tuned and welcome to the show. Just like they taught you as a kid, just slide your hand down. Nice, big ol' hunk of chunk, a bluegill. Oh, sunfish, whatever you want to call it. Oh man, my worm gone again. I lose my worm more than anybody I know. Man, we're about to go through this whole pack of worms here, guys. It's all right. I got like 4 or 5 more packs of these. I ain't gonna run out of worms. I have. I've gotten out here before and run out of worms. It was not pretty. That was not a good day. I was upset. I was highly, highly, highly upset. I was not a happy camper at all. See if there's another one in there. Ooh, there's a tree behind me. See if there's something else in there. Oh, yep, there is. Oh, oh, he's pulling a little bit. Hey, did you see that guy following him? There was one followed him up. That's funny how fish do that. How they follow each other sometimes. Oh. Well, let's see if we get lucky. Oh, no, we're not gonna get lucky like that, are we? To do it, to do it, to do it, to do it right, child. See if there's any more in there. I know there's one more in there at least. Excuse me. That Burger King, that sausage, egg, and cheese didn't sit well this morning. Let's see what's on the upper side of this here rocks. Oh, I thought I got bit. I thought I got a hit, eh? Thought I got a hit. Thought I got a hit. All right, let's start moving our way up, guys. Keep moving up the river. You know, hit a hole a few times. You don't want to mess up a hole too much. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this is a big old deep hole right here. Holy moly. Holy schmolies. Yeah, it's a little deeper right back here, guys. Nice. Oh, there we go. Ha ha ha. Woohoo! Nice fish. Oh, he got wrapped up in his gears. It's all right, it's all right. I won't let you go. In a minute. Yeah, I should have been keeping some of these fish, but... Oh, that water feels good. Oh, I'm getting a heck of a cast. Ooh, there's a tree. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Dang it. I got wrapped around the front. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. I got tangled. There we go. And I got my pole wet. No. Oh, whew. Oh, I thought I was going to get tangled up there. Oh, I did. Oh, man. What in the blue blazes?
What in the blue blazes just happened right there? Kind of weird tie-ups right there. I think that's about where I had it before, wasn't it? There we go. I think so. Pretty close anyway. Let's get out here in the middle. See what's out here. It's a little deeper out here. See if we get anything to bite. Oh, there we go. Oh, something. Oh, yeah, I got a nice one. Nice, dude. Big old fighter. Yeah, he came out and bit that one hard. Yeah, buddy. Dude, we got lots of footage today, don't we, bud? Yeah. Let you go. Oh, my worm about came off. Dang, he ripped it again. Dang it. We'll see how long this one lasts. It's got a big old rip in it, so it's probably not going to last very long. Then it's gonna take a money, whole lot of spending money to do it right, child. To do it, 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 to do it right. Time, whole lot of time. Oh, there's a hit. If it goes too slow, they don't really like to hit it. They like to hit it on the move. They like to hit it moving. Oh. Is that a hit? Is that a hit? Is that a hit? What is a hit? Okay. 2 hours left. Oh, fish on. What do we got? Oh, I need to throw my worm off. Oh, what do we got here? Nice, another little smallmouth. Sweet, guys. I just caught one when my battery went dead. My battery went dead. Look at that, another species. Little smallmouth. There he is, little smallmouth. Whoop, man, I lost my worm. I think I got one more. Yep. In this bag. Then I'll have to dig out another bag. The other one was about freaking dead anyway. Nice. There's little smallies in this hole right here swimming around. Tell you, man, pink trout worm, you can literally catch anything. Smallmouth are coming out and hidden out in the open. Hitting my little worm. What's up, big worm? Big perm? Big worm, big perm. Oh, nice cast, Timmy. I'm casting like halfway across the creek, man, with this little light line and this light worm. It's about time to keep moving. What time's it getting to be anyway? Whew, it's starting to get warm out. I can feel it. Man, I really wish you'd get a signal here. Ooh, it's 9 o'clock. Wonder if we could try a different spot. Somewhere maybe with a signal and we go live or something. I don't know. Kind of getting used to this talking to myself in the creek. It's funny. Oh yeah, see this is a nice deep old flat fucking bedrock bottom. Nice. Yeah, this is, man, I bet there's some more. See it? The thing is you don't ever see any big smallies in this river, man. In this creek, except down towards Susquehanna River. Whoops, excuse me. Yeah, this is a nice hole right here. That's why I caught that little smallie out of here. There's a little rock. I see kind of like a little rock shelf right over there. And the water is just super clear. Oh, something's biting. Oh, there's a bite. Yeah, fish on. Oh, what do we got? Nice big old sunfish. Ooh, he hit that like a freight train. That was cool. That was so cool. Fish on. Look at that. Nice. Nice little mammy jammy fish. Let's see what else is over there. Man, you can catch fish anywhere in this place, dude. Oh, I was getting a bite there, I think. You don't know where you're going to get bit at. Anytime, anywhere. It's bluegill hanging on every little rock and crevice. This is a nice spot right over here, too. Look at this. Watch and see if I don't get hit right here. Oh, come on. Yep. Oh, I was getting hit. Took a minute for the worm to sink. Oh yeah, here's fish on. What we got here? Oh, nice big old fall fish. Oops, oop, 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 oop. Whoa, that's a deep hole. Not quite up to my waist. Look at that big old, like, I think there used to be like a, I don't know what used to be here, but yeah, it's a nice big old fall fish. Ow! I'm trying to grab you, baby. I'm just trying to get the hook out. You ain't got to be so violent. Man, they keep tearing my hook. They keep tearing my worm up. They keep tearing my worms up. Oh, that was a bite. There's fish everywhere in this hole. Might have to go deeper here. It might be so deep, I don't know. It's a nice big old deep hole in here. Ooh, good one, Timmy. Yep. There was a fish there. Oh, my back's starting to really get tired. Oh yeah. see what's over here. See, I get stuff on both sides of the river over here. Other sections of this creek are usually only on one side. Oh, that was a bite. Yeah, it's nice deep in here, guys. I got one big old bluegill bite over there. Can't coax another one. It's all right. It's all right. Oh, it's starting to get hot out here, guys. Oh, yeah. This is a big old deep hole right here. See if I can find my way out of it. Woo, deep hole. Nice. Dude, usually you catch freaking fish in much shallower than this. Yeah, deep holes here. Wow, this is great. No wonder I was catching fish. I don't think I've been up this far. Got to be some trout in here too somewhere. It's got to be. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Oh, he was. Oh, fish on. Hee hee. Little, it's just a little guy. Up, there he goes. Off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. It was the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh, good spot, Tim. Oh, fish on. Oh, he's a little fighter. What we got here? Another little bluegill. He was fighting me too, little booger. Fighting me all day, wasn't he? Ooh, it's starting to get hot. The sun's starting to get hot, starting to bake, guys. It's supposed to be a really hot one today, too. Oh, there's a fish jumping over there in the corner. Oh, there we go. Oh, come on. You know you want it. You know you want it. Take it. Wow, I'm surprised I didn't get hit. Might because my worm's all jacked up. Ow. Might be because my worm's all jacked. Oh. Oh, there's a bite. Ah. Must be a bunch of little ones over here. Oh. There, fish on. Oh, lost that one too. They're just nipping at it. They're nipping at the tail or something. It's hard to see that float. Got to move it every once in a while so I can see it. Nah, I'm not taking it. They don't want it anymore. I think this area is about played out, Timmy. Oh, what do you think, Tim? You want to keep going, or you had enough for a day? I should have kept like about 500 of these fall fish, man. I don't know what the word I was thinking. It's all right, some other time. Man, I thought I had me a fish on there for a second. Yep. Yep, fish on. Ooh, 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 what we got here? Little fighter. Ooh, another fall fish. Another fall fish. I should have thrown a Ziploc bag in my bag and I would have had somewhere to put these little guys. Oh, bye-bye. He's like, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Forget you, buddy. I'm out of here. Oh, fish on. What we got? Ooh, another fall fish. All day. Or another creek chum. Whatever you want to call them. Bunch of little guys in these little rapids right here. A little bit of rapids. Rapids for you, rapids for me. We're gonna get another creek chum to bite. What do you think, Tim? I'm getting tired. It's almost about time to walk out of here. Not really sure how I'm going to get around this hole. It's pretty deep. This rock wall up here is pretty deep. There's another great spot up there that I could hit. Then I could probably crawl out of here down there if I could figure out how to get over there through these big holes. This is over like waist deep. Woo, big hole. Yeah, I can't even, I'm not sure where the bottom is. Damn, that's a big old rock. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's about to suck me into the hole here. It's trying to suck me down into the hole. It is. Dang, quit. Oh. I'd almost have to go around the other side, or maybe. Not really sure if I can get around this. I'd have to go in up there. Yeah, I think that's going to be it. Unless I can figure out a way to get across. Yeah, I'm in a pretty big deep hole area here. Now the fun part is going to try to find how to get out of here. Oh, something jumping around me. Help! There's animals over here. Yeah, I can get out of here. Maybe. Not really sure where I'm at right now. It's easier to see the bottom going the other direction. How did I get up out of here? Did I walk down there in the hole? Ooh. Ooh. How did I get in here? Ooh, that's a deep hole. Yeah, you gotta be careful, Timmy. There's like some deep holes in here. Yeah, I think I walked around this, didn't I? Yeah. Okay. There is some, ooh. Yeah, you gotta watch out. Whew. See if we can make our way back. We got a little bit of a walk to go, and it's almost 9 o'clock. Oh, wow, yeah, there's some nice holes in here. Ooh. 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 Yeah. Nice big holes. Let's see, Timmy, how am I gonna get up around this? I think I gotta go up here. I think I'm gonna have to go up here, Timmy. Yeah. I do not want to step into a big old hole and go under. Take our time here. Look at, watch the bottom. There we go. Oh, now we're making it. All right. Whoo. All right, it's better. It's better. It's better. God dang it. Oh, man, now I'm not sure where I'm at now. God dang it, Timmy. Let's go up and around here. Yeah. Woo! So you gotta try not to stand on a slanted rock. Here we go. Whew. All right. Man, oh man. There's some serious holes in here. Man, you'd think this would hold some big old fish, but it don't. There's not really any big. Woo! Yep, I just about went down. These freaking rocks are slippery. That's why you gotta take it easy, Timmy. I don't see no crawfish, for one thing. That's the thing. 'Cause I haven't seen any crawfish. How come they don't? I wonder how come they don't. Man, this creek should be full of crawfish. You would think. All right. Start making our way back. Oh man, get out in the middle, Timmy. Yeah, in the soft rock. There we go. Ah, the water's great. It'd be great for tubing or something. It's so beautiful out here. Whew. Here's a way out. We didn't cover a whole lot of creek, but we covered a good amount of creek. I think it's a nice little couple hour session here. Not bad. Like I said, I wish I had a signal. I wish I had a signal in this park. Woo-wee, Timmy. Yeah, it's starting to get hot already. That's why you got to come down here early in the morning, like 6 o'clock in the morning. Creek is so clear and beautiful. See if we can get some little bit of pretty shots of the creek this morning. All right, this is Timmy Bullock with Chesapeake Bay Catfishing, and today we fished the Deer Creek at Rock State Park. Just one little pull-offs. We had an awesome morning. Fished for a couple hours, caught all different kinds of species. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about it. Until next time, this is Chesapeake Bay Catfishing saying, tight lines.